Hi thinkers, welcome to the data science course on ThinkX Academy. In this video, this is the first video of this course, this data science course, and we are going to perform a lot of things like data pre-processing, data visualization, and a lot of things like data sampling, aggregation, dimensionality reduction, all of that stuff we're going to do. But before starting with any of the concepts, I want to first familiarize you with the Kaggle website, which is kaggle.com, right? So I'm going to tell you all the advantages of using Kaggle and why every data science enthusiast uses Kaggle, right? So first of all, you need to just go to the website kaggle.com, and here Kaggle is basically a website which provides a lot of data sets and a lot of things that are really helpful for all the students that want to learn and all the students who also want to compete, right? So competitions are also there. So first of all, you can see on this bar here we have the data set. So if I click in here, you can see it shows us a list of some trending data sets, which you can see stock data, Google stock data, and there are a lot of popular data sets which you can see here, like post on housing, NSL KDD, mobile price classification. So basically, in the whole course, we are actually going to perform a lot of things like data pre-processing. For that, we are going to pick up different data sets from Kaggle. Now, the reason of doing that, of doing so, is because when you have different types of data set, you will face different types of challenges, and that really helps you to build your data science skills when you are actually studying data science. So for example, let's say you have a data set and you want to see that how there are some let's say NAs are available in that data set, and there are some duplicate items in that data set, or there are some other challenges as well. So for that, if you will pick up different data sets, you are going to get a good exposure of different types of challenges that you might face in your data science career as well. So we will be picking up various data sets, and I will be choosing that data set for solving or just showing you a certain concept. And here you can see we have these data sets. It also has some courses, and as well there are some other things like competitions as well. So basically, Kaggle is just like GitHub is for developers. So Kaggle is for data science enthusiasts, right? So we have some competitions here, and these are price based also. So you can actually get some money if you participate in them and you win these competitions. So you can see these are some of the competitions here. Now we have some courses, some code. Now interesting part here in Kaggle is that you are going to use Python programming for basically writing and doing all the data pre-processing, analyzing stuff. So for that, you do not even need to create a whole Python environment. You can just click on create here, and here you can just directly go and click on new notebook, and you can create your own notebook, right? So that's one very interesting thing. You can directly do that. And here this notebook, which is the Python environment, will also give you access to pandas library, scikit-learn. So you do not need to manually install them in your desktop. And here you can see that we have some data sets. One interesting part that I'm going to show you here is that in this data set, which will take some time to load here, right? So here we have some user rankings, progression, and all that stuff. So let's take a look at some data set here. Okay, so here we have the Boston housing, right? So I'm just going to click on this one, and here you can see that this will open in a minute. So we have different types of data sets, and not only those data sets, the people, the community of Kaggle actually post a lot of their own notebooks and their ways of analyzing data on Kaggle, right? So what you can do is you can see their notebooks and you can learn from them. It's really a very good thing. It's just like you're seeing someone else code on GitHub and you are learning from it, right? So here I think I need to refresh it. Okay, so it's open now. So here you can see it shows the data. You can see the data is in the .csv format, and this is the whole data set. But the interesting part here is this code tab here. So if you will go on code, you will be able to see that there are a lot of people of this Kaggle community who will post their own ways to visualize or pre-process this data, right? So let's click on this one, which is here, and you can see that it shows that this is the notebook and these are the libraries that this notebook has used. We are going to use them in this whole course. I'm just giving you a gist of how exactly you can use Kaggle, because it is a really important tool for every data scientist, right? So you see we have pandas, matplotlib, seaborn for data visualization in scipy, and here you can see that this person has written his own code here, and to visualize the data set and to understand and to plot the data set, you can see everything here, and code is also here, right? So you can see there is code also. So it's a very good platform to learn data science. Basically I will be teaching all of these functions and all of these complex things to you guys, so you don't need to worry about it. It's just that I'm giving you an idea of what exactly you can expect from this Kaggle website. So basically that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will start by picking up a data set and importing it using pandas library in Python. So that's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.